In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicate cells in Excel. Duplicate cells are especially common if multiple people are working on the same worksheet. In our example, we have a list of employee details, including their ID, first name, surname, age, and so on. However, some of these cells contain exactly the same data, such as rows 5 and 7. These are identical records, and therefore we want to delete them. However, we also have rows where some cells are duplicates, but others aren't. For example, rows 9 and 10 contain two people called William Thomas. However, the rest of the data in the rows, such as the age, the mobile number, and the salary, are not the same. Therefore, this is a case where two people have the same name, but are clearly different people, and we want to keep both of their records. Now, in our case, our dataset isn't too big, and one could remove the duplicate values manually. A more efficient way, however, is the remove duplicates method, which comes in handy when you have large data sets where it's unrealistic to sift through all of it manually. So let's cover how to use the remove duplicates method. Firstly, select the data, then go into the Data tab and select the Remove Duplicates icon. We can keep all of the columns selected and then click OK. Therefore, Excel has found one duplicate record in our dataset and has removed this. As you can see, there's now only one row containing the name Liam Brown. Note, however, that Excel has not removed the second employee called William Thomas. This is because all the columns were selected when we used the Remove Duplicates method. If instead you want to remove all repeat names, then once again select the data, click Remove Duplicates, then unselect the columns, and only select columns C and D, which contain the first and last name. This is telling Excel to remove all rows that have the same first and last name, regardless of whether the rest of the data is the same. As you can see, this has now removed the second William Thomas. So that's how you can use the Remove Duplicates method to remove repeated values in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.